Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok video without a TikTok watermark. So first of all, we can download our TikTok video. Let's go to TikTok. For example, go to our profile. This video you want to download, right? You go to share, copy link. Ralph, we go back to Chrome. We go to our Chrome browser. We download. We search. TikTok video downloader. Snapchat. So you put your link there, download. Bring you this page, download. Done. Just open it. We download it without TikTok watermark. So that's all I have for you today. See you in the next video.